In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to work on calculating area and perimeter for squares and rectangles. Okay, so first of all we have a blue square. We know for definite that it is a square because both the length and the width are 3 centimeters. What we need to do is calculate the perimeter. So, as we mentioned before, we start off at one point and we work our way all the way around the shape until we get back to that original point. So this might seem kind of like a very basic step to do, but when we come to shapes that are more complicated, it's very important to do this. So we'll get into the habit of doing it straight away. So we have 3 centimeters along the top, plus 3 down the right side, plus 3 along the bottom, plus 3 up the left side. So really we can see this is 4 multiplied by 3, so we get 12 centimeters. And just remembering, the perimeter is the measure of a length, so it's centimeters and not centimeters squared. Okay, so let's find the perimeter of the next rectangle. So again, we'll start at this point here. So we have 15 along the top, plus 5 down the right side, plus 15 along the bottom, plus 5 up the left side. That will give us a total of 40 meters. Pause the video and see if you can calculate the perimeter for the pink rectangle. So noting where you're starting, the lengths of the sides that you're adding together, and what will be the unit measure for your result. Okay, the next problem, 3 very similar shapes, but now we're calculating the area. So it's very important to always write out the formula that you're using, because it just means that you're less likely to make a small mistake or slip up. And it also means that the examiner or your teacher or whoever is correcting your question knows that you know exactly what formula you're using. Okay, so for our area, it's always going to be length and width for these 4-sided shapes, these quadrilaterals. Okay, so our first one, we're going to have our area is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. So we get 9 centimeters squared. So our area is always going to be the unit squared. Our next one, again, length multiplied by width. So we get 75 meters squared. So again, pause the video and just to practice, calculate the area of the pink rectangle. For more information, go to www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.